Hello, my name is Nelson.
Hello, my name is Olivia. Hello, my name is Esme. My name is Kirpa. And we're going to be teaching you how to save the rainforest.
Okay, this is how we're going to save the rainforest. Plant more trees, save the animals, stop cutting down trees. Cut down trees in the rainforest, you will pay all your money. And I will show you the picture. That's nice too.
Yeah, and make sure to not bushwhack or do deforestation. Cut down trees at any time. No cutting down trees at any time. Because that gives air. Trees give air. Even if you want to, you can't. Because animals could die from it.
Are we done, guys? Yeah, we're done, guys.
Bye!
Hello, my name is Kirpa. Today's weather in the rainforest is rainy. The temperature is 82 Fahrenheit. In the night, it will drop to 60. And goodbye. Don't let the orangutans get you.